Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to make a blog post on Wix. So go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to Yon World. Now, bring y'all some valuable content today. It's 2020, January 9th. I decided to make my first website this year, and I think it's real valuable, you know, to have a website in this period. I think everybody need a website if you don't have one. Very easy to create through Wix. But on this video, I'm just sharing with y'all how to make a blog post. Now, with my approach to making blog posts on the internet is I want to expand my YouTube. So I made yonworld.org surrounded around my brand. I make music, I do YouTube. I'm into the street yantra, so I got a whole page dedicated to that. And I got a whole blog community. And with my blog community, I plan on having it like a forum type of blog, like where everybody can post. So if you become a member on yonworld.org, you can post on my blog. I can assign you as a writer. You can go in and, on the Wix app or on desktop on the Wix, and you know, add to the blog Yon World whatever you want to do, like whatever creative blog post you want to make. But on this video, I just want to share my approach. So what I'm doing is I'm going on my YouTube channel, right? This is my back end on my YouTube, all of my YouTube videos. Now, I'm making a blog post for every YouTube video, you know, and what this does is it creates a backlink and links more people to your video, puts it on a Google search, and it also helps you get approved for Google Adsense. Now, when you get started with your blog on Wix, you want to get approved for Google Adsense. We on the internet to make money. I just want to remind people that, you know, I know a lot of people like using the internet for entertainment and, you know, all the fun stuff, and that's cool. Like, that's cool. You can use it for that, but we here for the money. So, you want to have your website fully monetized. You want to have your online presence fully monetized. And you need over 15 pages. Like, Google want your website to have 15 pages. And right now, my blog, let's go to my blog real quick. My blog posts, we only got 4 posts. So what I have to do is I have to add, you know, more posts until I get to, you know, I got to add about 10 more posts. You know, once I add 10 more posts, I'll be good on the blog tip. I know I have enough pages. I'm currently in the process of getting approved for Google AdSense on my website. But let me show you how I'm doing this. What's my process? So we go down, we find a video. I want to do the video. I made a video about the street yantra. So I go into the back end of my video, right? Nah, I just pull that up on the side. So when we on Wix, you know, from your dashboard, from the main menu, you know, you just, is like, you know, dashboard blog. And then you click blog, right? And you go to create new posts. It's real simple. I like Wix. It's real clean and simple. Everything is set up, SEO ready. So what you want to do is add a catchy title. What I do is, hold on. I just go. I add the same exact title. I need to add some emojis in that title. Copy. Then I go, the street yantra changed my life. Add a catchy title. That's a catchy title. 37 characters. Nah. Then for the description, I add, all right. Wait, first you gotta add the video. Now I copy the video link. I go back to Wix. I click on add video at the bottom. Then I add that video. Real simple to integrate from YouTube, Venmo. That's why if you got a Facebook page, you should make a website, link all your Facebook videos back to, you know, from your website, you know, add that video right there. We got a nice thumbnail just popped up for us. That's what I'm talking about. And we go in the details. Now the details, we're gonna add this in the beginning. Copy, paste. Alright, I gotta, when you copy and paste, it don't add the spaces, so you gotta do that to make it look better. And then I add this description on every video I post. These are affiliate links, and you just want them registered because it's a long game. You just got to think about the long run. When you make a post, each post on the internet can become an asset, and you got to understand that at any time people can search this and look this up. So you want to be fully optimized, so you always making money 24/7. You never know who is looking at you. You never know who can find you, and you want to capture your customers. You know, you want to get 100% of your customers. That's what all businesses want. Once a customer is exposed to their website, they want to sell them things. They want to upsell them things, you know, and you just want to be monetized on the internet. You want your presence on the internet to be monetized. So we're going to add some hashtags. Street Yantra. What else I'm going to add? Law of fiction. My computer glitching because I'm screen recording. What's another one I could add? Make money online. I'm gonna add Street Chakra. So I spell Street Yantra differently. Yeah, and that's it. So let's go. All right, let's publish. Oh wait, let me show you the post settings real quick. So, you know, this is something you got to do on every single post. You know, when you making a post, you want to be fully optimized for the internet. Like I said, this is a long game. You want people, when they search Street Yantra or whatever your product is, like whatever you promoting, whatever your niche, you want them to find you. You know, you want to find all of those initial customers first and be monetized so you can get maximum benefit out of the internet. That's what we here for. We here to monetize ourselves. We here to make money. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people use the internet for games and entertainment. You know, I know it's a lot of depression in the world going on, but let's get this money, y'all. We're going to add a new category. Now, you have to add a category on every post. It makes it look more professional. It just organizes it, more SEO for Google to play with. So for this one, we're going to make this one as personal development. You know what I'm saying? Something common that everybody can find. So I got the breaking news section. Then this going to be the personal development section when I talk about, like, you know, Street Yantras and stuff. So the SEO, you always want to check this. You know, this is something like when you want to create spaces in your URL, make sure you use the little minus sign. But they already did it here for us. And then you can get a preview how it'll look. That's good to me. You know what I'm saying? Street Yantra. You know, it got it a bunch of times in the description. So, yeah. But we're going to save right there. And go ahead and publish. Now, let's check it out. Now, you see the title. YonWorld.org/post/the Street Yantra changed my life 6-year manifestation update. You know, So that's good. My computer loading a little bit slow because we screen sharing, but just bear with me. Oh yeah. Hold on, come on, let's go. Let's go. Alright. So, and you see, now we made a blog post. You see people can share it. They can share it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. They can also get the link to it. It shows the number of views the post got. You can also, favorite the post. But you could log in and leave a comment. And again, just to remind y'all, I'm designing YarnWorld.org as a community blog. So I know it may not hold value now, but when I get big, everybody gonna be trying to get on YarnWorld.org. So you might as well sign up now. I'm gonna have different member badges, different tiers, just to show our long-standing members, people that been here since day one. But we about to go all the way into 2030 with this. So this is a decade-long event. This is a decade project for me. Building up my website to be a multi-million-dollar business. And that's what we just gonna do through great content, through advertising revenue, through building a community and allowing everybody to, benefit from YarnWorld. So if you got a website you want to promote, if you got any type of content on the internet that you want to share, you just want to create another page, that's what you need. More backlinks, you need more press, you need more eyes coming to your your product, your blog, whatever you want to create, your video, your music, your website, your shirt design, your storefront, whatever you have, your real estate business, you can make a post on YarnWorld about it. So I encourage everybody to sign up, and I can make you as a writer. You upload good content to the site, and we can do it like that. So it's your boy YarnWorld. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all visit YarnWorld.org and sign up. We out. Peace.